Thermal imaging has applications across thousands of industries, including search and rescue, firefighting, environmental protection, and many others. However, the only way to use the power of thermal imaging on a drone is either to have military-grade equipment or the money to spend thousands on a professional drone. Our goal is to lower the barrier of entry for drone thermal imaging so more industries have access to it. The Universal Thermal Imaging Kit that we have designed and manufactured here at Rutgers University provides an affordable, lightweight system that can be attached to any drone. Our project provides a live thermal imaging system, GPS data, and its own power source. Because the kit is self-contained, it means that it will work on any drone powerful enough to lift it. Our project consists of a Raspberry Pi, a Seek thermal camera, a 6-fab 4G LTE shield, and a rechargeable battery pack. All of this is enclosed in a custom 3D printed case that can be easily attached, totaling out to around 460 grams. The case was custom printed with PLA plastic to allow for it to attach to our specific drone. We ran many tests on our drone and thermal imaging kit, testing for max lift weight and max thermal range. This allowed for us to make certain design decisions like total weight and operable range. Making this technology available to consumers at an extremely affordable cost will allow anyone with a moderately sized drone to acquire thermal data from afar. With its versatility and usefulness across many industries, our Universal Thermal Imaging Kit can be the solution that you are looking for.